juvias, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute, but let's get into this beat though. Starting off with my brows. If you haven't already, go watch my video I did on how I did my brows. But pretty much we just outlined our brow and doing every step I showed you in my last video. I conceal my brows with 2 different shades. So the lighter shade is probably 2 shades under my normal shade, and then the darker shade is around the shade I usually wear. Using that same lighter concealer I use for the bottom portion of my brow and just applying that to the base of my lid. It's going to be like my primer for my lids, just give it a smooth canvas to work with. Using the NYX eyebrow gel and just applying that onto my brow. This eyebrow gel is so bomb. Y'all, so have y'all tried this MacBook? Let me tell y'all, this palette is so pigmented and got so many beautiful colors. Like, I love this palette. I just got it not that long ago and I'm in love. Do y'all see how pigmented this applied to my lid? Like, I definitely was not expecting it to be this pigmented. So I definitely had to blend out a lot of these edges because it was going to be real harsh. When doing your cut crease, like the colors on top of your cut crease, I make sure like my the concealer that I just put on isn't wet at all, because you're gonna see like it will not turn out right at all. And then I just really pack on a lot of that color so it'll be more vibrant than the colors behind it. This is my first time ever really doing a wing, and I mean, it came out okay, it came out cool, but like this wing was really dry at me, okay? Now I'm contouring my face, so I put the lighter concealer on like the areas I feel like need a little bit more highlight, and then the darker concealer I put like on the areas I feel like they need a little bit more color. By the way, my beauty blender is damp, so whenever you're doing like your foundation or anything you're using with a beauty blender, make sure your beauty blender or whatever is damp. Popped on them lashes real quick, huh? I'm gonna do a video for y'all how I apply my lashes, because I done found a new trick, and baby, when I tell you, they just pop right on. When applying your setting powder, you just want to apply like a setting powder on the area you put the lighter concealer, and then like buff that out. I don't really let mine bake or nothing. I just kind of like buff that right away out. But this helps prevent any flashback. Sis forgot to wipe her lips off. Got all types of foundation on there. But we're going to get straight into this nude lip. Okay, love, so this is the rest of my video. Please tell me how I did. Like, comment, and subscribe. And tune into my next video because I think I'm going to show y'all how to put on these lashes.